Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got something new today. It's a sponsored video by Nitrous Express, so we're gonna install a Nitrous kit into the C63 AMG 2011. So this is the kit we got here. We got fuel solenoids, nitrous solenoids, some nozzles. We're gonna plumb all of this stuff in today and we're gonna see how it goes. Also, you have to remember that always you have to have the bottle heater and a purge. So the bottle heater to get your bottle up to pressure, because if it's not in a pressure you can't spray. With this kit today, all of the parts will be listed on the description and everything extra we used. And you also get with the kit a little card for the instructions. It comes out, you pick your kit and you go from there.
It's got to be one of the best sounding Mercedes I think they have ever built.
I think it is, yeah. So you have to remove the bar here, take the intakes off, and then this is where we're gonna drill the holes. This piece has two clips from the side. There is no screws, there is two clips that holding her into place. It's gonna look now. We're gonna have a couple of hoses coming out, one for nitrous, one for fuel on each side. Got additional brackets for the solenoids here.
We got two solenoids going to be going in that we got to find a place to mount, and hopefully we'll get the lines run nice and neat. We got there's twin outlets, twin inlets for fuel and nitrous. At least 4 lines to run on the top side, 2 main lines to run on the bottom side, one for the bottle, one for the fuel. And other than that, it's just a matter of finding good placement and drilling everything and making everything line up.
So we got everything installed, wiring is done. Now we're gonna do a run on a dyno and see what it makes. Without nitrous and then with nitrous. So we got 395 horsepower and 382 feet-pounds of torque. It's a naturally aspirated engine. Nobody's gonna know that you have any upgrades to your car until you open the back.
Power. We'll see what the nitrous does to it.
There we have it, a 70 shot, got a 65 wheel horsepower on the AMG C63. So we just want to say special thanks to Nitrous Express for sponsoring this video and letting us do this. Up next, we have a direct port system on a LS 5.3 liter, and we'll show you guys what that does. So thanks again, thanks Nitrous Express, and remember to like and subscribe.